Pennsylvania taxpayers have paid the price for a lack of oversight into how Medicaid dollars are being spent on prescription drugs. That's according to State Auditor Tim DeFore. Mackenzie Gerald joins us now live with more. Mackenzie.
Valerie, DeFore announced the 102-page audit at a press conference in Pittsburgh today, and he is now facing some backlash.
For the last 10 months, Auditor General DeFore has been working on an audit that looks at how pharmacy benefit managers operate in the Medicaid system and the Department of Human Services oversight of those benefits.
DeFore says DHS was not strict enough in its oversight.
DHS doesn't validate the information it receives and puts the responsibility on the MCO to make sure the data is correct. And that's pretty risky when billions of taxpayer dollars are at stake. DHS needs to follow federal law and monitor its contractors.
And DeFore says PBMs got millions of dollars that it shouldn't have.
We found that $7 million in transaction fees were not disclosed by PBMs and MCOs to DHS.
DHS and many Democrats, like State Rep Malcolm Kenyatta, disagree. Kenyatta released a statement which said, in part, quote, "This audit is not only unserious, it's also substantively wrong." Kenyatta sponsored a bill Governor Shapiro signed just last month that will go a long way toward tightening the system.
And so I want to begin today by saying just how grateful I am to these three legislative leaders for seeing a problem, for working on it, for educating not just themselves, but their colleagues, and for ultimately getting this bill through the legislative process.
Meanwhile, DeFore continues to argue what's called spread pricing, which allows PBMs to charge more than the reimbursement rate to pharmacies, causing major issues for both pharmacies and patients.
I want you to know that this isn't just a one-line bill that says, hey, PBM, stop screwing over Pennsylvanians. There's a whole lot of substance in it.
Of course, there's also a political component here. DeFore is the incumbent Republican Auditor General. Kenyatta is the Democrat who wants to replace him. They are both trying to make headlines roughly 2 months before the election. In the newsroom, Mackenzie Jarrell, ABC 27 News.
Thank you, Mackenzie.